Hello everybody and welcome to my channel MelMii Food and Lifestyle. MelMii, it's me. The autumn is coming and as you know, all the vegetables and nice tomatoes are getting ready. If you are like me and your tomato plants produce all these juicy tomatoes all at once and you have no idea what to make with them, here today I will share with you 2 of the recipes what you can make with all your tomatoes. Here I share with you this amazing tomato sauce recipe that can be accompanied with any meal, anytime. Come with me.
For the first recipe, we'll be making Romesco sauce. Start with roasting vegetables you will be using on the fire. I am starting with red peppers and then tomatoes, roasting them until the skin is dark all sides. Also, amazing flavor is added roasting onion and garlic on a real fire. Roasting everything in the oven right in a high temperature is good if you don't have a fire barbecue in hand. Romesco sauce gets its main flavor from the sweetness from bell peppers and nutty flavors from roasted almonds. For blending the sauce, start with placing the roasted almonds in a blender, then add all your roasted vegetables, red bell peppers, onions, tomatoes and garlic. Add olive oil, little bit of water and start blending. It takes around 15 minutes until the sauce is nice and smooth. If it doesn't mix well in the beginning, just turn off the blender and mix it few times in between. Sauce is ready when it looks like this. The almond gives it nice crunchy texture. For the second classical sauce, start by blanching your tomatoes in boiling water for removing the skin. I put around 10 to 15 tomatoes in the pot at the same time. Pop the tomatoes in boiling water for around 30 seconds and then into ice water. Try to plant same size tomatoes same time from the skin to come off evenly. After cooling down in the ice water, the skin is very easy to remove. Just a small knife and peel it off like this. Start preparing the onion for the sauce and cut them in smaller pieces and fry over medium heat until golden color. Adding few carrots and red peppers to the sauce adds amazing flavor to this classic. Clean your vegetables and fry them all together. This sauce gives you a little bit more free choice to use any vegetables you currently have more to make a tasty sauce. Maybe you want to add even some mushrooms, zucchinis or herbs for extra special flavor. This sauce is perfect to use for pastas, pizzas, casseroles, soups, even dipping sauce. Magic in this sauce is the full concentrate flavor the all vegetables you use gives. This year red peppers had a soft skin and didn't need peeling, so I will be adding them straight to the mixture. Place all the prepared ingredients in a big pot to slowly cook to release all the flavors.
So now all the ingredients are in the pot and I'm gonna cook this sauce in slow cooking. That means I'm gonna keep it here overnight, slowly cooking for about 6-8 hours. And I'm gonna continue tomorrow.
With a hand blender, finish off the sauce to make it nice, creamy and smooth. And for preserving the sauce longer in my pantry, I add some extra white vinegar and salt. Place the ready sauce in sterilized glass jars and close it off with sterilized lids.
If you would like to know more about the sterilization of the jars and salids, just put a comment, I will make one video about it. Also, if you don't have even amount of the sauce to fill all your jars, you can just leave one open and keep it in your fridge and use daily for your cooking. And also because this tomato sauce is quite acidic and it has no added sugar, only the natural sugars from the tomato, it lasts openly for cooking in your fridge around 5 to 7 days. Thank you so much for your support and welcome to new followers. Please, if you like my content, like my videos, put a like, ring the bell and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.